So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Do you like playing outside during the day? I do too! But I have a question for you. What's that big circle thing in the sky that's really bright and really hot? Yeah, it's the sun! Maybe you and I could draw the sun today together. All right, since it's a circle, let's start by drawing a circle. Here we go. Perfect! And then these light rays shine out from the side. So let's draw those. It's like a bunch of U's. Yeah, see that? Whoa, it's so shiny. Whoa, there we go. And since playing outside is so much fun and happy, maybe we could make the sun have some sunglasses since it's so bright and a smiley face because playing outside is so much fun. Whoa, let's connect those lenses. Well, if you like drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Keep playing outside. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!